Flying with your little one? Let's dive into the crucial aspects of flying with infants, starting with their nourishment needs. 1. Food and beverages. Pack formula and breast milk separately for security. Use spill-proof containers for mess-free feeding on flights. 2. Baggage allowance. Check your airline for up to 10 kilograms extra baggage allowance for essential infant items like a diaper bag, stroller, and car seat. 3. Feeding during flight. Ease air pressure for infants by feeding them during takeoff and landing. 4. Emergency supplies. Pack extra food to handle unexpected flight delays or disruptions. 5. Meet and greet services. Consider a meet and greet service for extra airport assistance, ideal for first-time parents. 6. Bassinet availability on flights. When booking, check for bassinet availability on long flights for a comfortable sleep for your baby. 7. Making the journey relaxing. Keep your infant engaged with soft, quiet toys and comforting items for a more relaxing flight. Prioritize preparation and familiarity with airline regulations for a smooth journey with your infant.